Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the basics. Make sure the SIM and plan include VoLTE and that the slot supports 4G. Once done, update your Infinix system and carrier profile to avoid compatibility issues. Now, open Settings, tap Network and Internet, and choose Mobile Network. You will be in the right menu to change radio and calling preferences. Move deliberately, but quickly, so the phone retains the updated profiles and can show the VoLTE toggle when available. You should see an enhanced 4G LTE or VoLTE calls option under the selected SIM settings. Enable that toggle. If no option appears, go to Mobile Network Advanced and ensure preferred network type is LTE/3G/2G Auto. You may need to enable developer options and toggle LTE on the preferred network for testing, but only if you know what you're changing. Once enabled, place a test call to confirm HD voice. The status bar or call screen will finish by making a clear test call to verify VoLTE. You'll see VoLTE or HD voice on the call screen. If it fails, toggle the setting off and on, restart the phone, and reinsert the SIM to refresh carrier provisioning. If that still fails, reset network settings to clear conflicts. This preserves data but removes Wi-Fi/passwords. Finally, contact your carrier. Sometimes provisioning is required on their side, even when your Infinix is configured correctly.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.